Your Eufy G10 stops mid-cleaning and throws an error S2 message. Usually it means one of the wheels is stuck, jammed, or its internal motor isn't functioning properly. Here's how to fix it. First, make sure your RoboVac's power switch underneath is turned on. Place it on its charging base and confirm its charging look for a pulsing orange light. Press the start button and observe. If you hear error S2, the issue likely lies in one of the wheels. Flip the RoboVac upside down. Gently tap and rotate both wheels. Healthy wheels should move freely and spring back when released. Compare the left and right wheels. If one feels tight or harder to move, you've found the problematic one. Note that if your model isn't labeled, the wheel closer to the power switch is the left wheel. Carefully check both wheels for tangled hair, debris, or dirt that could block their motion. Remove any visible blockage and test the wheel movement again. In many cases, cleaning alone fixes the issue. If the error continues, check if the wheel cable is securely plugged into the main board inside. If it's loose, reattach it carefully. If still not working, unplug the cable and inspect it for damage, corrosion, or debris. If the wheel feels stiff even after cleaning, spray a light lubricant like WD-40 around the wheel axle. Rotate the wheel manually several times to spread the lubricant internally. This helps free up stuck parts inside the wheel motor. Reinsert the wheel module into the RoboVac and tighten the screws. Power it back on. Press start and observe. If it moves normally without an error, you've successfully fixed it. If error S2 still appears, perform a reset. Turn off the RoboVac for 30 seconds, then power it back on. RoboVac 25C, 35C, and 25C Max models also allow a Wi-Fi reset or factory reset through the Eufy Clean app, which can recalibrate sensors. If the RoboVac still shows wheel error, it may be time to contact Eufy support to replace the faulty wheel module. Before we wrap up, here are some expert tips to prevent error S2 in the future. Regularly clean the wheels to prevent jams. Avoid running your RoboVac on wet or sticky floors. Always tuck the wheel wires properly when doing maintenance to avoid pinching or rubbing damage. Have you faced error S2 before? Let us know in the comments what worked for you. And for another helpful cleaning guide, check out this video next.